Living well in retirement, or the golden years, is what every senior deserves. You have spent years preparing to be able to travel, spend more time with family, and do all the things you may have put off. Most likely you have invested and saved and have a well-crafted financial plan. Why is it that more than 50% of retirees worry if their finances would be able to withstand market volatility, unanticipated expenses, rising medical costs, inflation? Most financial plans do not have a solution for long-term care due to the expense. Statistics show that even a well-crafted plan may only have a 70% probability of a successful retirement and lasting. That means to make your money last as long as you do, it requires a very conservative lifestyle in retirement. Hardly the choice you want when you should be enjoying yourself rather than losing sleep over how things are going to work out. I'm clayselland. I'm a CPA and I've had a financial career spanning over 40 years and have worked with dozens of seniors to protect their financial plans utilizing their home equity and increase the likelihood of a successful outcome, resulting in confidence, security, and flexibility in retirement. The most critical time for the success of a retirement plan is a few years before and after your actual retirement. I am right there with you. Utilizing home equity provides the flexibility to give you peace of mind and confidence in your plan. For example, avoiding having to take funds out of your retirement in a down market. It can also provide flexibility by eliminating the monthly mortgage payment or providing supplemental cash flow now and again or every month. I have helped clients when they sell their family home and right size into a new home with a reverse mortgage, still no payments, and add funds to their investments at the same time. The solution best for you might simply be having a large line of credit in reserve to cover unexpected expenses. This plan must be done with care, looking at each element of your unique situation. Planning out a financial future isn't just getting by, but is allowing you to thrive in your retirement. Your next step would be to reach out to me at Signet Mortgage and set up a time to talk. Of course, there's no obligation, and the purpose of the initial conversation is to discover the possibilities that would enhance your financial future. Share your birth date, home address, and current mortgage balance, if any, and that's enough information to have a very productive initial consultation. You do not want to wait until you're in a pickle and your choices become limited. The time to understand what is possible is now. It may or may not be the right time to do something beyond talking, but we won't know until we reach out. I have helped clients access over $50 million of home equity that has directly enhanced their retirement. I would appreciate the opportunity to join you in your journey to a better retirement.